This is Utida TV and Sanko Speak Family. We are here to show you how concrete story building is made. So they first made this concrete, bring it up, and they put the blocks around it with another concrete, fill it up, then castle it again. Look at how they castle it and leave the concrete side separate there. So this is how the first stage is. So they will come to this conclusion. So you see how they have made it. You see the plywood. So if you measure the plywood up, it's 6.5 feet. If you measure it up, it's 6.5 feet. So all this is going to be filled up again. Yeah, all this piece is going to be filled up again with another concrete again. But this is the finishing. The first floor finishing. It looks very nice though, but it's a lot of money. You need a lot of money. Yeah, you need a lot of money to do this building. And there is quality now. So after the floor, you painted it with that black oil paint. So now the construction begins. So you see how the first iron rods is laid. It's 16 mm. All the iron rods using is 16 mm. For the first layer is 16 mm. All these are the 16 mm. All is 16 mm. Look at this place, 16 mm. So they use 12 mm. You see these small angles then. That is the 12 mm. That one is bringing up the planning. That is showing out the plan, which is be going up. Yeah, it is showing out how the plan is going up. With this 12 mm is showing that how the plan is going up. So all this place will fill with concrete. All this one will be submerged inside the concrete. So this is the second concrete. So now it's finished. Yeah. As you see it now, it's filled up already. So it starts, the building is supposed to start. So this is how it's supposed to be. So this is how it's supposed to be. It's a story building and it's very nice. The architect, everybody was good. So for me, this is my first time of observing this type of work, and it was very tedious. And I was liking how they were doing it. So you will see how the iron rocks is going up. So after the iron rocks, this is how they do it. They have an aluminum metal design. This one is designed for the building purpose. It's designed for the building purpose. They were building concrete estate houses. So this formica you see here, no, anywhere you see the lighting system, no, they put this there. I asked them and they told me that some of the lighting system need to be held well. It is not supposed to be, the concrete should touch it too much. So that's why they put that formica there. So you see how the iron rods, the pipelines, everything is laid out. You see how it is being laid. The iron rods is 16 mm. 16 mm. And it was very good. So going up, some place they use 14 mm. And the one was 14 mm, but the metal, most of them are 16 mm. Most of them are 16 mm. So it's about to finish. So they finish the inside. So look at the window design. So after they remove, the window will be like this. So the outside, they normally use formica to put it very inside. Outside, no, they put formica at some point so that if there is sunshine, it will not be hot inside the room, and it's cold too. It will not be too much cold inside the room. So this is about to finish. So this is the first floor. So you see the steps case. You see the step case. Yeah. Voila. This is the step case going up. So for the first floor, you see the step case, everything. So everything is finished. Now they put the concrete, everything. So this is how they tight it. This is the bracings, how they used to brace it. The finishing will be like this, and it's very nice. So this is throughout concrete. No block. From scratch till up, is all is concrete. All is concrete. There's nothing like block, laying, no. Concrete throughout. And a very nice building. So they finished the first floor. They removed the aluminium board. They removed the aluminium board, which is designed for this construction purpose. Yeah, it is designed for this construction purpose. So when they finish, you see that everything is smooth. So they don't need anything again. They don't need plastering, no. So the turn of the painter, I saw the painter using some scripts, filling the holes up there. The painter was filling the holes. So after then he used this as the first coat. So this is the first coat. This is the first coat. Yeah. This is the first coat. So you see after, you see that the light, every hole is being out already. Very nice one. Even this is the first coat. This is the first coat. So this is the second floor, the first floor. You finish the down one, this is the first floor. So before they do, this is the pipe laying. They lay the pipe finish. Yeah. This one, the pipe that was there was for wastewater up to come down. It's a waste pipe which will connect the pipe water, which will be supposed to stack up. It will bring it down. And this one is the waste ones. This is the inside the building is the toilet. And this one is the kitchen. So for the up, you see the pipe laying, everything is correct. This is the pipe laying. So they put the formica there in between some of the buildings so that there will not be noise from this room to this room. And I was surprised. This one is manual pressure piping system. So after they make the piping system, they close all and remove one. So they are putting pressure inside. They put water inside the whole pipe. They are putting water inside the whole pipe to see whether there is leakage or no leakage. My brother, it was not easy. This one is manual system. So they will do that. So this is the formica there. So they will do that to show that there's no leakage. So they will close it and leave the water inside the pipe until they finish the concrete before. So you see the outside is being put, formica is being put outside. Formica is being put outside. formica is being put outside. It was not easy. They put that pressure pipe, and the water will be in until they finish everything like this before. So this the second floor. So they finished the aluminium system. So this is the aluminium purposely for this construction. They were doing concrete estate building. Wow, it's not easy. About 100 buildings, all is made of concrete. 100 buildings made of concrete. All is storey building. All is storey building. So this is how the aluminium system is. You see the pipelines. So they are coming to close the outside and then concrete tile. By why is you see it beautiful? When they are doing the concrete, they were using some pressure metal used to enter it it was vibrating for the concrete to be very well. So look after the storey building. Wow, it was very nice. No a little hole. You not see any little hole there. It was very nice. So they were removing it. Estate concrete house. House and estate concrete house. It was very nice. It was very nice to own a place like that. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Give us a comment. I am not engineer, so if you understand any type which I didn't explain it, put it on the comment section. Because I'm not engineer. I'm just an observer, which I see, and it was very my first time of seeing concrete house. So I decided to put it down there.